Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add standard deviations in Google Sheet graph step by step. See this average code, standard deviations code. Simply first equal average B2, B6, B2, B6. Press enter, autofill. Then again apply the same process, standard deviations, then equal B2 B6, press enter. Okay, then B1 B6, press enter. Okay, then select all sort or student and marks or all data, then go to insert tab, sort. Wait some moment. Already selected column sort. Since sort type, find choose your sort, bar sort or column sort. Example is column sort, then customize series error bars, data labels, then find error bars series, then find error bars type, standard deviations, use data labels or not use, trend line, etc, and use custom value. See this, use custom value. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.